been providing blockchain services since 2016, so I could say with confidence that we are the best that you can find in the space when it comes to blockchain services, which includes but not limits to smart contracts creation, NFT generation, token creation, staking, mutation, and every single thing. We provide a full stack solution from A to Z. Blockchain services, we work on a major blockchain services that includes but not limits to Ethereum, Polygon, Avalanche, which are all Solidity program, and even Rust program like Solana, Near Protocol, and everything in between. But here's the thing. Our best services is not only that we provide the best high quality services when it comes to blockchain, it's our customer service. We make sure that you convert your vision to reality with the best possible support from our side, just to make sure you really achieve your goal. We go above and beyond what we set to do. So if you want the best quality ever in the whole space, definitely check us out. Peace.